Manny Pacquiao.
We have Manny Pacquiao, the
Suntok sa mga banamay, bawal yan. Pag sinabi kong
rising
break,
young man
magkamay kayo.
from General Santos City, and he is wearing white. We have Rolando Toyogon in black. So let's see what will happen here. Of course, upcoming flyweight with 9 straight blow by blow. He's considered blow by blow, baby. He is, although as far as let's say the physical inches, si Manny Pacquiao 22 fights or 29 losses, 2 draws, 2 knockouts. Ang ating pong manok, ito pong puti. Okay bro, baby, Manny Pacquiao, 9 straight wins, 4 knockouts. Maganda po itong fight na ito. Here go, two-fisted attack po ito. Ito is built. Talaga pong brawler, broad shoulder. Ayun, tinan mo naman ang bigay galing sa labas. Yun po, jabs. Maganda po, 5'4 and a half. 5'4 and a half po. Kung paiikutan ito ng jabs bago mag-show na. Uppercut! Dalawang uppercut by Manny Pacquiao in the first round. Oh, this 2-0 saved by the left uppercut. That's the one that missed. Here's the one that connected. And another one. Yes! That's it. Round 2. Tingnan natin kung puparsahin ito ni Manny Pacquiao. Taking his time for a young man. Oh, another uppercut! Nayanig na naman! Combination by Manny Pacquiao. He's going for the kill. All over the ring with a combination. Two-fisted attack. Hooks. Uppercuts. Tingnan natin kung makukuha. Uppercut. Uppercut. Dalawa, tatlo uppercut. Hindi nakuha. Toyogon. Guard po niya, ito po, pinipilit ni Manny Pacquiao. Second round, hindi mo kailangan purahin ito eh. Okay, but he is punishing Toyogon with those shorts. Uppercut and look, that's another uppercut, a left uppercut, another left uppercut. But it all missed this time. Well, this one grazed the chin. Another left uppercut that missed. A right hook that missed. A right hook. Missy, pan here. There's a left straight, an uppercut, another hook, an uppercut. Oh, there's a left, boom, left hook, uppercut. Hindi, he's in a shell. Hindi basta-basta mapasok. Mga doon, may hook to the body. Wala pa rin. Okay, bumabawi si Toyogon. Ayun, ayun, inabot siya ng kaliwa. Right, there's a right hook, a left uppercut again, a hook. Oh, there's a good left to the chin. Ito na naman, pumasok na naman si Pacquiao. And measuring ko na, umu-open na yun. Oh, fantastic job. He's hit a jab to keep him off. Jab to keep him off again. Resurrect. Jab, uppercut, hook. Yan ang kombinasyon niyang ginagamit ngayon. Ang Toyogon ba? Uppercut. Left uppercut. Ang magandang ibawi. Left jab. Good attack by Manny Pacquiao. Well, Manny Pacquiao so far putting up an exhibition, a display of great boxing here. Toyogon is not about to give up. Manny Pacquiao, shorts. Manny Pacquiao working well behind his, pero wala pong tumama. Kaliwa, dalawang uppercut ni Manny Pacquiao. Walang nakakalamang nga po si Manny Pacquiao dahil siya po ay mas mahaba ang wrist. Ayun, kaliwa naman. Medyo nayanig si Manny Pacquiao. Dalawang kaliwa na ang tumama sa dito po sa Pipa Redes, Sampaloc, Manila. Ito, may exchange po rin sila. Ito na, pero wala pang tumatama sa kanilang mga exchanges. Pero maririnig nyo naman ang boilo ni Manny Pacquiao. Talagang parang si Mark Israel kung pumorma minsan. Okay, on Toyogon with a good shot to the button. He was pulling away, so good left by Toyogon. The snap back the head of Manny Pacquiao, but Manny Pacquiao just didn't bother with it. Tuloy pa rin siya, left straight by Manny Pacquiao. Left by Manny Pacquiao, inalisan. Lumayo siya, okay, there's the ring. This is our San Miguel Beer, Manny Pacquiao, Rolando Toyogon main event. There's a left uppercut, dalawa. Tama nun, nakita, nayanig talaga si Pacquiao doon, yung kanan ni Toyogon kanina. Slow mo po ito ng round 3 natin. Okay, and waitan mo ako, matirang matibay, sabayan tayo. Ayun po, sumasabay nga si Toyogon. Ito, kung kombinasyon na, kaliwat kanan, talagang ginugulpi ka nga. Manny Pacquiao is trying to dominate the action pero hindi umaatras nga. Like I said, nakikipagsabayan din si Tuyogon, so matira ang matibay. Look at that. Look at that. Left measuring, forever measuring pagkatapos kombinasyon na yon. Kita nyo naman, his 2 feet are planted, is willing to go. Malayo yung uppercut na yon. Ayun, maganda. Left jab and straight. Sa puntos lang po, pinaliliguan po si Tuyogon. Pero patay ang laban ni Tuyogon. Manny Pacquiao, he tries to get inside. Kaya lang mabilis si Manny Pacquiao, younger than Tuyogon. There we go. Mihan po, hindi pa tumatama. Ito, yung mga ganyan, sure siya pala. Si Tuyogon pagdating ng kaliwa niya. Although, na first round. But hasn't been able to follow up and we are now in round 4. Okay, pero lamang na lamang po sa puntos. Itong si Manny Pacquiao. Ayan po. Ayan. Bigay naman siya, pero eto, tumatawa pa siya. Hala, sabay tayo, sabi niya. Sige, baka itong si Rolando Tuyogon. Great fighter also. Romy Quintana po, naghihintay po, hinihintay ko pa po ang aking. At sabi ni Mark Israel, Chino went with the group to the San Lazaro Hospital. Rolando Tuyogon, pero bumabawi naman si Manny Pacquiao. Pumunek, ano po, wala. Ito, nakanan, but he was able to roll away from the punch. Kasi kombinasyon kung pwede, hindi, naunahan siya. Ayun, laban. Gandang laban, ano, dahil kasi gusto ni Manny Pacquiao na Tuyogon putting up with Manny Pacquiao. 9 straight win. Fast-paced action at kaninang first round. Pero si Tuyogon hindi umaatras. Siya ay sumasabay. Chino, ha? Okay. Manning jabbing his way to keep away Rolando Tuyogon. Pero masyadong malayo. Roundhouse kasi. Okay. Nahihirap. This time, umaatras siya. Yan. Tama rin yan. Okay. Ayun, apat. Walang matinding dumating sa mukha, no? Okay, that is natin dito yung umaatikabok mula pa ng first round. Tuwan-tuwa po in our second half. Second half na po tayo. Kumbaga sa Pacquiao is trying to keep away from him with jazzing. There is a counter, a left uppercut, 2 left uppercuts that missed. Dito mama, no? Ayun. Ni Manny Pacquiao. And remember, Manny Pacquiao, samantala si Rolando Tuyogon po, has scored 2 knockouts. Kahit na hindi siya sumusuntok, nasa harap siya ni Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao straight, left, throwing everything. Ayan, iko. Rolando Tuyogon taking everything, left, straight. Combination of 3, 4, tatlo. Although part of it was taken by the forearms.